Hi everyone, Pratikshya this side. I have completed my MBA in Finance in 2023 from Utkal University. I always wanted to start my career in finance field, but as a fresher without having any practical skills in finance, it was quite difficult to get into a core finance profile. So after searching for several courses, I came across this financial modeling and valuation course provided by Investment Banking Institute from last 18 years, which is located in Delhi. I started my finance journey with them in last September, and today I'm feeling very delighted to share with you all that with the help and guidance of Manoj sir and Ankur sir, it led me to my very first job as a financial analyst at a reputed company, where Manoj sir taught me very practically how to make various financial models and do the evaluations totally from scratch. Ankur sir always taught me how to make myself more presentable. In these last 3 months, my most significant achievement would be the transition from theoretical knowledge to practical application in finance, and it could be only possible because of Manoj sir and Ankur sir. They give their 110% and make sure that every student will get placed. For that, they ask students to give repeated mock interviews so that it will enhance their confidence and they can prepare themselves very well. So, if there is someone who want to get into core finance profile but couldn't get any opportunities, then I would definitely say that this is the opportunity that no one should miss. Give it a try, give your 110%, do your best, then nothing is impossible to achieve. Thank you.